A little introduction about my experience with coronavirus. I work in Los Angeles, and in the poorest of poorest part of Los Angeles City, which is a county hospital. It is a municipal hospital, like where I train, like Nair Hospital or KEM Hospital. सगळे गरीब लोक येतात तिथे, and they have no money. So we treat those patients, and there's a lot of poverty, and it's very similar to a situation in my home country, which is India, where I was brought up for and lived for 24 years in Mumbai. So when this virus hit, people were falling ill left and right. As I worked in the workplace, my technicians, my therapists, my nurses, my friends, everybody was getting ill. The virus was all around. And of course, there is fear. We can't say there is no fear. I would be lying to say that there was no fear. Everybody was scared because people were getting ill. It was causing lung damage. They couldn't breathe. They were hospitalized. In the hospital next door, 20, 30 ambulances were lined up. A lot of gurneys all over the place. People were just dying. And I've never seen anything like this in my life. Working 25 years in the ICU, we barely have maybe 5, 6 people die in a month. Now there were 40, 50, 60 people dying. So what do we do? Leadership matters. Government matters. Who is the president matters. Who is the prime minister matters. We had a president who didn't believe in any science. Go maskless, have rallies, go everywhere. He used to have big White House parties. That's the president we had. So our country was number one in the number of cases, the number of deaths. So many of my friends fell ill. In my healthcare system, of 10,000 people, 2,500 people got COVID. That's quite a bit. Doctors were falling ill, nurses, therapists, everybody. But what can we do? We can change the leadership. We can change the government. We can change the president. We cannot change the healthcare structure. We have what we have: hospitals, doctors, oxygen supply, medications. That's all what we have. But we can change our behavior. We can change what we do. So what do? We know coronavirus is a virus. We cannot see it. So we should think everybody is infected. That's what we did. I thought everybody has the coronavirus. So what does that mean? It's an airborne virus. People can cough it out, and not only that, they breathe it out. They spread it when they are asymptomatic. So you can't even tell that this person has the virus. So what do you think? Just think everybody has the virus. So what does that mean? Wear a mask, double mask, stay away from people. Stay away from people. What we did is not to mix any household, just your family members, that's it. Not to see anybody. For a whole year, I only saw my daughter's family and nobody else. You have to wash your hands frequently, have to sanitize, have to do all of that. And so that's we can change what we do. My behavior matters. And that's what I recommend all of you do. I know it is very difficult. We went through all of this. We went through a lot. America was number one in infections and deaths. And now it's another country, and later it's another country, it's another country, and it's going to happen and happen and happen. Okay. How did United States control this? Our president changed. We had about 1% of people vaccinated in the month of December. Now we have over 50% of our adult population vaccinated. So vaccinations must work because that's evidence. You see it. The virus just didn't fly away. It was there. It's still there. But as 50% of the country is vaccinated, vaccinations must work, right? That's evidence. You don't need any scientist to tell you that this works. So my recommendation is modify your behavior and get vaccinated. You can see that in this country. And I know there is a lot of fear, there's a lot of hesitancy in vaccinations, but you have to live in the present. You can't think what will happen 2 years down the line. You need to survive today. So we have different platforms of vaccine, right? We have a little bit of science and then we go to questions, okay? We have two platforms. One is the mRNA, that is the Pfizer vaccine, and one which is the AstraZeneca, which is in India at present, and the Covaxin. So the one Indian vaccine, AstraZeneca, it uses a common cold virus, which is attenuated, meaning it is a harmless thing. All it does is it produces the outer lining of the coronavirus, the spike protein. What is the spike protein of the coronavirus? You've seen all those spikes of that virus. I'm sure you've seen these pictures everywhere. What it does is it attaches to your cells, and with the spike protein, it enters our cells and it enters our bodies. So what the vaccine does is it produces defense mechanism against the spike protein. So when you're presented with the virus, this defense mechanism, the antibodies, they come and attack the spike protein. So the virus cannot enter your body. So you don't get sick. So one thing is you stay healthy. Second thing is you don't have enough virus in your nose to give it to somebody else. So what better service could you do by getting vaccinated is you don't transmit the virus to other people. You don't make other people sick. Wouldn't that be a great thing? If I worked in the hospital and I had a vaccine and I know that I'm not going to give it to my family or to my community, so it will improve the health of the community. The community gets better. You stay healthy. It may cause mild disease, but it prevents hospitalizations. Yes, and people say, oh, there are this effect and that effect, but you have to control the pandemic. How can we live like this? Our Guru Maharaj cannot go anywhere. How can we live like this? So what is the solution to the fear of vaccine? First of all, evaluate the scientific data. Look at science. There are a lot of people on Facebook and every other social media with all the propaganda against vaccines. Yes. So what do? You don't go for that. Just like you follow Guru Maharaj and you follow Prabhupada, you have to get to the scientist in this case. You don't read all Mayavadi philosophy. You don't read the other Bhagavad Gitas or all that information. You don't read that, right? So the same thing applies. What will happen if you read all the Gitas that are present in the world? You're going to get a muddled up and a messed up brain. And so that's not what you want. So that's my take. Now I will take your questions. Hare Krishna.
वैक्सीन लेना उसके बारे में बहुत सारी क्या कहें हम, बहुत सारे कन्फ्यूजन्स है या डिसबिलीव्स है लोगों के मन में, भक्तों के मन में भी। बहुत सारे भक्त इसके लिए प्रचार भी कर रहे हैं कि नहीं लेना है या वॉट। लेकिन आप एक बात समझिए, जितने भी डॉक्टर्स हैं या जितने भी इस पेशे के प्रोफेशनल लोग हैं, सभी लोग एक ही बात कह रहे हैं। चाहे वो भक्ति वेदांत वाली टीम हम डिस्कस किए थे, या दूसरे डॉक्टर्स कहिए, या आज माता जी से भी हम सुन रहे, सभी कह रहे हैं आप आयुर्वेदा फॉलो करना चाहते हैं, होम्योपैथी करना चाहते हैं, जो भी कीजिए, लेकिन साथ में वैक्सीन जरूर लीजिए। तो माता जी ने एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण पॉइंट अच्छा लगा, जो वो है वैक्सीन लेना भी एक समाज सेवा है या एक सेवा है। नॉट ओनली समाज सेवा, जैसे अगर मंदिर के भक्त है या ब्रह्मचारी है, वे मंदिर में रह के अगर वैक्सीनेटेड हो रहे हैं तो वो वैष्णव सेवा भी कर रहे हैं, ताकि वे उनके अंदर जो वायरस है वो दूसरों तक नहीं पहुंचा रहे। बहुत ही एक गहरा विचार है। और दूसरा पॉइंट माता जी जो बहुत महत्वपूर्ण पॉइंट बताए वो ये है कि आजकल बहुत लोग इसके अगेंस्ट, इसके खिलाफ लिखने के लिए फेसबुक या इधर उधर लिखते रहते हैं। तो माता जी ने उदाहरण दिया, जैसे कि हम आध्यात्मिक जीवन में साधक स्तर पे प्रगति करने हम हमारे आचार्यों को, गुरु वृंद को, श्रील प्रभुपाद को फॉलो करते हैं। तो भगवत गीता की तो बहुत सारी लिपियां या बहुत सारे उसके स्वरूप ही कह लूं है, बहुत सारे लोगों ने अपने अपने विचारों से लिखी है। लेकिन हम कौन सी भगवत गीता पढ़ते हैं? केवल भगवत गीता एज इट इज, जिससे हमें सही ज्ञान मिलता है। तो माता जी ये कह रहे थे कि वैक्सीन के बारे में बहुत सारी अच्छी और बुरी चीजें दोनों लिखी गई है, दोनों प्राप्त है। लेकिन जब हम साधक है और हमें भक्ति में प्रगति करनी है तो हम हमारे गुरुजनों को फॉलो करते हैं। उसी प्रकार जब आपको वैक्सीन के बारे में कुछ ज्ञान लेना है तो साइंस पढ़िए, ना कि और जो बातें हो रही है उसको पढ़े। तो बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण पॉइंट है ये। और माता जी कह रहे हैं कि उनको इतना ही हमें बताना था या कहना था कि हम क्या कर सकते हैं। उन्होंने शुरुआत में भी बहुत अच्छा कहा कि हम कुछ बदल नहीं सकते, हम हमारे प्रधानमंत्री को नहीं बदल सकते, हम हमारी सिस्टम नहीं बदल सकते, हम कुछ नहीं बदल सकते। बट हम बदल सकते हैं एक बात, हम हमारा बर्ताव बदल सकते हैं, हम हमारे विचार बदल सकते हैं। तो वो सबसे उम्दा या सबसे महत्वपूर्ण पॉइंट है। तो अब माता जी आपके प्रश्न लेने के लिए तैयार है, या जो हमने 2 दिन पहले कहा था कि आपके मन में जो भी प्रश्न है वो पूछ सकते हैं, और माता जी उसका जवाब देने के लिए यहाँ पर उपस्थित है। तो श्यामलांगी माता जी, और भक्तों से अनुरोध है, प्रश्न बस सटीक और प्रश्न कीजिए, प्रश्न के लिए बैकग्राउंड न दे, ताकि हम ज्यादा प्रश्न कवर कर पाए। यस माता जी।
Hare Krishna, please accept my humble obeisances, Guru Maharaj, Mataji, and all the Vaishnavas. Mataji, I stay in Dubai in the Middle East. यहाँ पे तो things are very much in control. यहाँ पे तो हमें बहुत जल्दी जल्दी सबका vaccination हो गया है. My question is just trying to understand from the medical science point of view that ऐसा क्या है, जैसे कहते हैं कि first variant आया तो adults को affect हुआ, फिर सेकेंड आया तो अब मिडिल एज के हम देखते हैं लोग जा रहे हैं, आप कह रहे हैं कि थर्ड वेरिएंट शुरू होगा जिसमें बच्चे अफेक्ट हो सकते हैं. सो इज दैट ट्रू? एंड बिकॉज व्हाट वी हैड हर्ड राइट दैट चिल्ड्रन हैव गुड इम्यूनिटी लेवल, तो उनके अंदर एंटीबॉडीज ऑलरेडी होती है, उन्हें जरूरत नहीं है. बट अब सुनने में आ रहा है, मतलब यहाँ पे यूएई में भी कंपलसरी कर दिया है स्कूल्स में भी कि 12 साल तक के बच्चों को भी मतलब दे हैव टू बी वैक्सीनेटेड. So just trying to understand that, Mataji, from you. Is it kind of a
Okay.
money-making business or something in this? Or yeah, thank
No,
you.
it is not a money making business. It is like this because look, 70 to 80% of the people get vaccinated. So there are still 20% of people who are not going to get vaccinated. So they can spread the virus to your children. So vaccinated people don't spread the virus. So we are okay. But the unvaccinated population, which is maybe 20%, it varies from different country to country, different state to state. Vaccine hesitancy predominates in different percentages. So, if you want to send your child to school, you want to protect your child. So, the way to protect is to get vaccinated because you may have a unvaccinated janitor or unvaccinated teacher, and you don't want to expose your child to an unvaccinated person. So it's not a propaganda. It is science. And that's why now studies are being done so that even children more than 6 months of age will get vaccinated. Did I answer your question?
Yeah, she is muted, but yeah, I believe it was quite clear, Mataji. There is a question where one devotee is asking, does vaccine anyway affect our natural immune system?
No. What it does is it creates antibodies to the virus, which is specific to the spike protein. Our own immune system is not trained to attack the virus. That's why we have to create the spike protein in our body. When the spike protein is created in our body, either by the whatever the vaccine is given, then we create the defense mechanism to the coronavirus. So we do not have natural immunity to this virus. That's how we all got infected. If our immune system would have taken care of this, we wouldn't have had this problem.
Okay, Ajay Gaurang Prabhu.
हरे कृष्ण गुरु महाराज धन्यवाद प्रणाम सभी वैष्णव में धन्यवाद प्रणाम माता जी कैन आई आस्क इन हिंदी और इंग्लिश
So she understands, so you
Hindi is fine,
can
I can get it.
ओके माता जी मेरी मदर को कोरोना हुआ था उनको एक वैक्सीन लग चुका था कोविशील्ड का और उनको कोरोना हो गया था माइनर हुआ था कोरोना उसमें उनको हॉस्पिटल में प्लाज्मा थेरेपी दी गई थी तो अब उनको सेकंड वैक्सीनेशन होना है तो वो कब कराना चाहिए माता जी कितने दिन का गैप देने के बाद होना चाहिए
Okay. Once you get the infection, usually you have the antibodies because of the virus is in your system for up to 3 months. So after 3 months, you get the vaccination.
Okay. सेवा कुंज माता जी, सेवा कुंज गोपी माता जी.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी.
Yes,
धन्यवाद प्रणाम. हरे कृष्णा माता जी, हरे कृष्णा गुरु महाराज, धन्यवाद प्रणाम. प्रभु जी मेरा बस एक छोटा सा ही क्वेश्चन है कि वैक्सीनेशन अभी इंडिया में जो है वो 2 वैक्सीनेशन आई है तो उनमें से कौन सा परफेक्ट है, किसको लेना चाहिए?
It doesn't matter which one you take. Take whichever they give you. They are both effective.
तो अभी भारत में तो ये चॉइस नहीं है हमारे पास, जितना मैं जानता हूँ. जो अवेलेबल होती है हमें लेनी होती है और दोनों ही एक जैसी है. सो अगर भक्तों के ये प्रश्न है तो कृपया रिपीट ना करें कि कौन सी लेनी है, कब लेनी है, 2 वैक्सीन के बीच कितना गैप होना चाहिए. ये सारी चीज़ें आप जहाँ वैक्सीनेशन सेंटर जाएंगे आपको जानकारी दे दी जाएगी. और अगर कोई प्रश्न है या कोई क्वेश्चंस है तो पूछ सकते हैं. रंजिता माता जी मॉरिशस से. You need to unmute yourself. Yeah.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, Hare Krishna Mataji. I am from Mauritius, Mataji. We were given the vaccine here, but when I went for the vaccine, I was informed that because of my allergy issues, I cannot have the vaccine. And in Mauritius, we have vaccine from India that are available mainly, not the ones from America. And is the vaccine appropriate, Mataji?
Okay. It depends what kind of allergy issue you have. Did you ever have an allergic reaction where you couldn't breathe or your blood pressure dropped? What we call is anaphylaxis. Did you ever have that?
She is gone. She's muted, so she has lower hand.
I can't hear her.
Yeah, that's what. She's muted and she's.
Oh, okay. Can we unmute her?
Yeah, I'll just try to find her out. Okay. Yes. So Ranjita
Yes.
Mataji, you please unmute yourself from your end again and.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mataji, what kind of allergic reaction did you have? Were you couldn't breathe or you had a low blood pressure? Or
No, none of this type.
what kind of allergy? Is it just a rash or what is your problem?
Mainly skin problem. But
Uh-huh.
when I have a cough, my cough wouldn't heal. I have to go on pumps, but I'm not asthmatic.
Uh-huh. So what are you allergic to? What allergic reactions have you had?
From dust, from cold. Yeah, like if I just have a little bit of cold, I would start sneezing and having,
Well,
you know,
okay.
like cold
Yeah.
symptoms. But I will
Mataji,
decline the vaccine, but I would like to do the vaccine. But here in
Okay.
Mauritius, they didn't give it to me when I went for it. And now it's not available in the private clinics.
Okay. What you have is basically you have airways disease. What you have is probably you have asthma. You know, people who have asthma, when they inhale dust, they sneeze, they cough, they cold, and they can't breathe well. So that's not a contraindication. Allergic reaction meaning like if you ate something like especially peanuts and then you just couldn't breathe and you were taken to the hospital or your blood pressure dropped, what we call as anaphylaxis, that's the one way we say. So you should be safe to have that vaccine.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, Mataji.
Okay.
There is one question, Mataji, kind of a repeated question. Some devotees
No
are putting
problem.
in chat
I'm here
also.
to answer. I want to answer everybody's questions, whatever they have.
So they are asking, is there anything or the vaccine contains anything that is not accepted devotionally or like frontal matter or something like that? Is it true or how to understand that?
Okay, I have a point for that. I think we have to be practical. Can we just be practical? We have to survive, we have to live. And we chant, so that should take care of it.
Okay, so आशा है भक्त जिनका प्रश्न था वो समझ गए हैं या समझ चुके हैं. And सूर्यवंशी प्रभु.
हरे कृष्णा.
हरे कृष्ण.
हरे कृष्णा.
बोलिए बोलिए प्रभु.
हाँ माताजी, I want to ask one question. Is it a biological war, and how the herbal medicine act for this coronavirus, and does it have any side effects of steroids and remdesivir like this, because we are facing so many problems?
All right. First question is this a biological war? These are all fantasy theories, I think. I don't know how it originated, but it happened and it's all over the world. All right. When do we give steroids? A little bit about how the coronavirus attacks the lung. When we breathe in the coronavirus, it goes into our lungs in the terminal airways, which are called as alveoli. So fluid is produced over there. So once the fluid is produced, then we can breathe very well. So how do we manage that? Looking at somebody, we don't know what is the oxygen level of the patient. So we highly recommend pulse oximeter. So we put the patient on the pulse oximeter. Now, does everybody need a pulse oximeter? No, you will know when you're short of breath because you won't be able to walk to the bathroom or you won't be able to talk in full sentences. At that point, you should use a pulse oximeter. Normal pulse oximeter, your level is about 97 to 98%. Once it falls below 92, we recommend using steroids and azithromycin. You take that and then you observe. If it's not going up, you have to go to the hospital and you have to see a doctor who can give you oxygen continuously to keep your level at 92% at least. Yes, there are some side effects. Oxygen itself is a drug that can cause problems, but you need that to survive.
ओके, सूर्यवंशी प्रभु आपका जवाब मिल गया होगा ऐसी आशा है. वामन प्रपन्न प्रभु.
माता जी दंडवत प्रणाम।
नमस्ते।
इंडिया में तो सेकंड वेव चालू है अभी। अमेरिका में फिफ्थ वेव भी अभी फेस कर रहा है, ऐसे मैंने सुना है। तो थर्ड, फोर्थ और फिफ्थ वेव में क्या क्या फर्क है, परिणाम कैसे कैसे फर्क होते हैं? वायरस म्यूटेट हुआ है क्या, उसके बाद म्यूटेट होगा? और अभी डबल स्ट्रेंथ वायरस है क्या, ट्रिपल फोर्थ ऐसा स्ट्रेन आएंगे?
Okay. The thing is, every time we transmit the virus, there is a chance of mutation. So the more transmission that occurs, there are more chances of having variants. That is why it is imperative to stop the transmission of the virus. How do we stop it? Get vaccinated. If you want to stop the variants, you got to get vaccinated. The more transmission, the more variants, the more mutations.
बोलिए प्रभु जी, आपका प्रश्न। आपका नाम नहीं पता, HK111 लिखा है। बोलिए, आपको unmute है।
म्यूट नहीं हुआ प्रभु?
हो गए, बोलिए बोलिए, सुनाई दे रहा है।
हरे कृष्णा, दंडवत प्रणाम गुरुदेव को और सभी भक्तजनों को। मेरा प्रश्न यह है कि जो मेरा एक पेशेंट है वो लंग्स में उसको इन्फेक्शन हुआ और उसका ऑक्सीजन लेवल 81% आ गया और उसको अभी ऑक्सीजन पर रखा गया और अभी 4 किलोवाट पर अभी उसको 94-95 आता है जब वो रात को सोता है। अभी उसको काफी वीकनेस है और लंग्स में बहुत ज्यादा इन्फेक्शन है। अगर ऑक्सीजन को हटा देते हैं तो उसका लेवल जो है डाउन हो जाता है और 75 या 75% के अप्रोक्सीमेट पहुंचता है। तो ऐसी स्थिति में हमें क्या करना चाहिए, ये मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ।
ओके, नमस्कार प्रभु जी। लंग्स जो होते हैं ना, कि सिंस दे हैव द वायरस एंड द फ्लूइड, तो ऑक्सीजन कम होता है। सो टिल द लंग्स हील, लंग्स को हील होना चाहिए और लंग्स हील होते हैं। सो यू हैव टू वेट टिल द लंग्स हील. You have to keep the oxygen continuously 24 hours continuously to keep oxygen saturation 92%. If he is walking, he may have to increase it. Always keep 92%. Suppose 1 liter per ho and the oxygen level is 92. When he walks, it will drop to 85, 86. So you go to 2 liters or 3 liters or 4 liters, whatever it takes to keep 92%. Okay?
डॉक्टर मुनीश जी।
Can't hear.
हरे कृष्णा, गुरु महाराज को दंडवत प्रणाम। माता जी हरे कृष्णा।
Hare Krishna.
माता जी, I had a question. Basically, when the second wave started, before that, most of the doctors in India were given the vaccination, that is, both the doses were given. The initial dose was given sometime in January, and the subsequent dose was given sometime in March. However, despite of that, with the second wave having started sometime in April, and there has been a casualty of approximately 500 doctors in India, and 100 doctors have passed away in the epicenter in Delhi itself, where I belong. So I just wanted your views, your thoughts. What have you faced in America? Despite of both the vaccinations, has there been impact on people? And if at all, what has been the reason?
Okay. The AstraZeneca vaccine is about 70 to 75% effective. So there is a difference between the Pfizer and Moderna vaccine and AstraZeneca vaccine. The platform for the vaccine, mRNA vaccine for Pfizer and AstraZeneca, is probably producing a better immune response in the body than the AstraZeneca is. So AstraZeneca, Pfizer vaccines are 90 to 95% effective. Now, we have had over 270 million doses given, and we have had only about 1,500 COVID I think 10,000, sorry, 10,000 breakthrough infections. So 10,000 out of 280 million breakthrough infections. So there is definitely a difference between the two vaccines, yes. So people are getting infected because it's 70 to 75% effective. So, but you have to modify your behavior. You can prevent the virus. What are those doctors doing when they are not in the hospital? Are they having weddings, parties, get-togethers, gatherings, not masking? What are they doing? Can't just blame it on the vaccine. Your behavior also matters.
तुलसी माता जी. उत्कर्ष प्रभु.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी.
यस माता जी, बोलिए.
यस प्रभु जी, मेरे प्रभु जी को 6 महीने पहले कोविड हो गया था. तो अभी उनके जो पाँव का हरे कृष्णा.
हाँ हाँ बोलिए माता जी, बोलिए, सुनाई दे रहा है.
हाँ, पाँव का जो पिछला भाग है ना, वो ज्यादा टाइट होता है माता जी. तो उसके लिए क्या करना चाहिए? वो पाँव उठाने के लिए भी उनको दर्द होता है बहुत बार माता जी.
How old is he?
तुलसी माता जी, आप म्यूट हो गए, अनम्यूट करके कहिए उनकी उम्र क्या है.
40 years माता जी.
अच्छा, तो आप डॉक्टर को दिखाइए, फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम. मे बी इट इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू द वायरस, इट माइट बी समथिंग एल्स, मे बी सम जॉइंट इश्यू, सम न्यूरोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम. फाइंड आउट.
उत्कर्ष प्रभु. भक्तों से अनुरोध है, जैसे उनका नाम ले तुरंत अनम्यूट करके पूछे. समय कम है और अभी काफी भक्तों के प्रश्न हैं. उत्कर्ष अग्रहरि प्रभु.
हरे कृष्णा माता जी, मेरा नाम उत्कर्ष अग्रहरि है. मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहता हूँ कि पहला डोज मुझे जैसे कि अगर 23 तारीख को लगा है तो मुझे कितने दिन बाद मैं घर से बाहर जा सकता हूँ? और मेरा सेकंड क्वेश्चन है कि एक न्यूज आया था कि वैक्सीन के बाद ब्लड क्लॉटिंग हो जाती है, तो ये क्या ट्रू है?
Okay. You are considered to be fully vaccinated 2 weeks after the second dose. So until you're completely vaccinated, I would still recommend you wear a mask because the virus is so predominant in India. You still have to follow all the public health measures. It is not that you cannot go outside the house. You can take a walk. You just don't need to gather and be around people. Just stay away from everybody. So 2 weeks after your second dose.
ममता भारद्वाज माता जी.
हरे कृष्णा माता जी.
हरे कृष्णा
माता जी, मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है कि क्या लैक्टेशन के टाइम पे वैक्सीन लिया जा सकता है? 6 महीने की बेटी है, लैक्टेशन वो वैक्सीन ले सकते हैं?
प्रेगनेंसी में तो ले रहे हैं, so I guess they can. Please ask your OBGYN doctor. I think I forgot to answer the previous question about the blood clotting with AstraZeneca. It is very, very rare. Almost one case in almost 30,000, over 30,000 vaccinations is very rare, extremely rare.
अहमदाबाद से सुरेंद्र जी.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी, गुरु महाराज के चरणों में दंडवत प्रणाम. माता जी, मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था कि ये जो वैक्सीन है इसका कुछ पीरियड भी होता है कि इफेक्टिवनेस का, कितने टाइम तक ये इफेक्टिव रहेगा ऐसा?
Okay, the studies have done, they say at least 6 months for sure. Now our first trial was done more than a year ago. It has been 10 months, and the people in the trial over here, they still have antibodies to the virus. So the studies are going on whether you will need a booster dose, maybe sometime later on you will. Now there is a difference if somebody has COVID already and then get vaccinated, their immunity is going to last longer time because the cells that are in the bone marrow are going to remember the COVID virus that they had already. So for people who had COVID and had the vaccine, they may not need the booster, but for people who did not have COVID and got the 2 vaccines, we will very likely need a booster in a few more months.
ईशिता माता जी, ईशिता देशमुख गुड़गांव.
Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, Dandavat Pranam. Hare Krishna Mataji. Mataji, I have 2 questions. Like my daughter is allergic to many food products and she already got her first jab. So I am like worried after hearing from you. Is it safe to take the vaccination, the second dose?
Okay. If she got the first jab already, if she had a problem, she would have had it with the first one itself.
It's been 3 days now.
So you're fine.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, she just had little bit itching on her skin, but now she is fine. No other symptoms.
Do it in a safe environment, which is a hospital setting where the doctors are there, and I think it should be okay because usually when you get anaphylaxis, you get it with the first shot itself.
And is it within 24 hours or something like that? Time period?
It is within minutes to within 15 minutes. You get it right away. That's why when you get the vaccine, we watch you for 15 minutes.
Okay.
It happens right away.
Okay. And the second question is, Mataji, like I heard like those who had COVID and took the first jab, they don't need to take the second one?
No, that is not true. They need to take the second one also, because the immune response which is produced by the vaccine is far greater than the one which is by COVID virus itself.
If someone has skin allergy, can they go for vaccine? There is a question, Mataji.
I think they need to check with their allergy specialist. What is the issue? Ask your allergy specialist if it is safe.
Sundar Vitthal Prabhu.
हरे कृष्णा गुरु महाराज.
माता जी आपका वीडियो ऑफ ही रखिए, सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. माता जी आपका वीडियो ऑफ रख के बोलिए, शायद ठीक आवाज आए. नेटवर्क पुअर है तो सुनाई नहीं दे रहा आप क्या कह रहे हैं. वीडियो बंद कर दीजिए.
हाँ माता जी, we got vaccinated, but whenever we have congestion or cough or hard breathe, so it is like we are so fearful that even after vaccination we are safe or no. So is there any diet need to be followed? Avoid something which don't create this kind of cough, or what can be done?
Okay. Now, causes of cough are many, right? Just pollution itself gives cough. So it depends where you live. And if you live in a dusty environment, if there's a lot of pollution, you might get cough because of that. It's not because of the virus, but if you get high fever and you start getting symptoms of COVID, then that is different. Then you get tested. There is no diet, but you stay away from all the polluted environment. I know India has a lot of pollution issues. Many people have cough for a long time.
So there is a question, Mataji. If there is a person who is diabetic, asthmatic, and has Parkinson and 75 plus, can that person become eligible for vaccine, or should he or she go for a vaccination?
Definitely they should go for vaccination. Being a diabetic, you have increased risk of more severe illness. So yes, you must get vaccinated.
And also for a patient with pacemaker?
Yes, no problem.
Okay, thank you, Madhu. लीला रसिक माताजी भुवनेश्वर. लीला रसिक माताजी भुवनेश्वर से. गिरिराज गोवर्धन प्रभु अलीबाग से.
हरे कृष्णा, दंडवत माता जी. वैक्सीन लेने के बाद बहुत अच्छा, जो बाकी का छोटा मोटा जो ये था कफ के बारे में तो सब कुछ क्लियर हुआ, लेकिन अभी क्या डॉक्टर जो दूध और दुग्ध जन्य पदार्थ वो लेने मना कर रहे, बोले दूध लेने का नहीं, और दूसरे डॉक्टर बोले दूध हर दिन कम से कम 1 कप तो दूध लेना चाहिए. तो क्या करना चाहिए? दूध और मिल्क और मिल्क के रिलेटेड जो पदार्थ लेना चाहिए क्या नहीं चाहिए?
There is no relation, Prabhuji. You can drink as much milk as you want.
अरुणा पाल माताजी या प्रभुजी.
Hare Krishna. I pay my humble obeisances unto lotus feet. Actually, are you able to hear me, Prabhuji?
No, it's not clear. आपको थोड़ा माइक नजदीक रखना पड़ेगा माताजी. Your voice is not clear.
Yes, Hare Krishna, Mataji, Dandit Pranam.
Better.
Mataji, actually, my mother, she got COVID on 14th of April. I mean, we saw the first symptom on 14th of April, and she's still in hospital. And the problem that has come, her PT score is 23/25. And her SpO2 level on room air falls down to 70 still. And when we keep her on, like for past 5 days, we are keeping her on 5 liters of oxygen concentrator, and there she is able to maintain between majorly above 90, but sometimes it comes down to 88. And when she exerts for eating or some exercises, then her oxygen level goes down to 85, 82 also. But Mataji, since it's been a long time we are in hospital, the doctors are also advising that you can take her home, maintain the oxygen, because we do have a concentrator at home also of 10 liters. And all of other reports are fine, like CRP is 4, D-dimer is 1 point something, which was done yesterday. IL-6 is also 15, but IL-6 doctors are saying sometimes because the test gets delayed, so it may show the high score. And we got echo and ECG also, which is also fine, Mataji. But there are lymphocyte and TLC score and LDH score is little high. Lymphocyte is 6, hemoglobin has come down to 9, LDH is TLC is 21,000, and LDH is, it's far, it's बहुत ज़्यादा above the range. The doctors are saying it is because of the steroids that we are giving her. Otherwise, reports are normal, and inflammation markers जो हैं, that have also come into the margin. So, Mataji, can we shift my mother to home, because there's a lot of financial burden also on us now after paying the medical bills for 1.5 months. So I just wanted to take your advice that can we start all the medicines orally and can keep her at home with a 10 liter oxygen concentrator, because right now she is able to maintain around 90, and sometimes when she's sleeping then she maintains above 95 also on 5 liter oxygen concentrators. So can we bring her home?
Okay. It depends on her condition. If her blood pressure is good and she's not breathing fast, say we usually breathe about 14-15 times a minute, as long as she's not breathing like 25-30 times a minute, then you can maintain her oxygen at home. So what you can do is you can bring her home, you keep an eye on the pulse oximeter, make sure it is always 90-92. If you're at 5 liters, you can go to 6 liters. When she gets up and she walks, if it falls, you can dial it up to 7-8 liters. As long as she looks stable and the doctors think that she is stable to go home, and if they say that's okay, yes, you can take her home and maintain her on oxygen. Yes, as long as everything else is good.
There is a question, Mazi. Can a person with autoimmune disorder and ANA positive go for vaccination?
What kind of autoimmune disorder?
Just can a person?
What is the diagnosis?
I think Haridas Thakur Prabhu, you need to raise and you can have a dialogue with Mataji. By the time we'll take another question. Leeleshwar Gaur Prabhu, Mauritius se.
हरे कृष्णा गुरु महाराज, दंडवत प्रणाम। हरे कृष्णा, सुनाई दे रहे हैं?
जी बोलिए माताजी।
हरे कृष्णा, हरे कृष्णा। मुझे ब्लड प्रेशर है और डायबिटीज, क्या मैं वैक्सीन ले सकती हूँ? डायबिटीज?
Yes, for sure. Yes. In fact, very important for all diabetics. Yes, you should take it.
प्रेशर
Yes.
दोनों है, ले
Yes.
सकते हैं।
Yes.
Thank
Take
you,
it.
माता। हरे
Yes. Hare Krishna.
Sandipani Muni Prabhu.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु।
बोलिए प्रभु।
मेरा आवाज आ रहा है प्रभु आपको?
हाँ बोलिए।
अच्छा प्रभु, मेरा एक क्वेश्चन था। सबसे पहले मैं महाराज जी को, गुरु महाराज जी को दंडवत प्रणाम करता हूँ मैं। और मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है माता जी से। समझो आपने इंडिया में 3 वैक्सीन आया है, कोवैक्सीन, कोविशील्ड और स्पुतनिक। ओके, तो कभी कभी कोई व्यक्ति कोविशील्ड लेता है और सेकंड टाइम में कोवैक्सीन लेता है, अदला बदली होता है, तो ऐसा चल सकता है क्या?
Okay. अभी तक तो स्टडीज नहीं हुए हैं to mix the vaccines. So if you take Covishield, you should take Covishield. We don't know the answer whether you take Covishield first and Covaxin after that. We are not mixing vaccine as yet. The studies are going on to see whether you can mix vaccine. We will know in a few months.
वीना बजाज माता जी नोएडा से। वीना माता जी नोएडा से।
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी, हरे कृष्णा गुरु महाराज जी, दंडवत प्रणाम। हरे कृष्णा लीला माधुरी माता जी। मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि यहाँ पर बहुत ज्यादा रूमर्स ये हो रहे हैं, आई डोंट नो फॉर रियल है कि वो रूमर्स हैं कि जो डायबिटिक एंड हार्ट पेशेंट होते हैं उनको अगर वैक्सीनेशन दिया जाता है तो उनकी एंटीबॉडीज कई बार नहीं बनती, तो क्या ये सही है?
If you have only heart disease, antibodies तो बननी चाहिए। जिनको कैंसर है, जिनको इम्यूनोसप्रेसिव डिजीजेस है, उनकी एंटीबॉडीज नहीं बनती है, बट जस्ट हार्ट डिजीज इज नॉट द प्रॉब्लम।
नंदीमुखी माता जी। नंदीमुखी माता जी नोएडा से।
हाँ, हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी, दंडवत प्रणाम। हरे कृष्णा गुरु महाराज, दंडवत प्रणाम। हरे कृष्णा माता जी, दंडवत प्रणाम। एक भक्त है लक्ष्मी प्राणदास, है ना, तो उसको क्या है कि किडनी उसकी डैमेज है, दोनों किडनी 10% चलती हैं। लेकिन क्या हुआ कि उसको जो फर्स्ट वो लगा, उसको जो फर्स्ट इंजेक्शन लगा उससे तो कुछ नहीं हुआ, लेकिन जो दूसरा इंजेक्शन लगा तो उससे क्या हुआ, उसके पूरे पाँव में ऊपर से ही पूरी स्वेलिंग आ गई है और वह चल भी नहीं पा रहा है। मतलब बहुत ज्यादा क्रिटिकल प्रॉब्लम हो रही है उसको। तो और उसको मतलब उसको किडनी उसकी खराब है, दोनों की दोनों किडनी थोड़ा खराब है उसकी। तो क्या करना चाहिए माता जी?
ओके, पाँव में क्यों सूजन आई है, कैन बी मेनी डिफरेंट रीजंस। इट कुड बी बिकॉज किडनी इज नॉट वर्किंग, पाँव में सूजन आती है। हार्ट फेलियर से भी पाँव में सूजन आती है। वैक्सीन से तो पाँव में सूजन नहीं आती माता जी। तो देखना कि क्यों सूजन आती है, डॉक्टर को पूछ लेना पाँव में क्यों सूजन आती है। सूजन आ सकती है बिकॉज ऑफ सम क्लॉट इन द लेग, तो अल्ट्रासाउंड करवा लेना और देखना कि डॉक्टर क्या कहते हैं, दोनों पाँव में है या एक पाँव में है, डिपेंड्स ऑन दैट।
मेरा ये एक प्रश्न था कि भाई मैं जब सेकंड वैक्सीन लेने के लिए गया तो उसी डोज में से मेरे को लगाया और उसी डोज में से फर्स्ट वाले को लगा दिया। मेरे से पहले का आदमी थे उसको फर्स्ट डोज दिया वही सेम सीसी से और मेरे को सेकंड डोज दिया उसी सेम से। तो ये नुकसान तो नहीं करेगा?
No problem. No, not at all. It doesn't matter. You got your second dose. He got his first dose. No problem.
हरे कृष्णा माता जी, दंडवत प्रणाम।
नमस्कार।
माता जी, मेरे को 29 अप्रैल से प्रॉब्लम हुई और मेरा CT वैल्यू 8/25 आया था। तो मेरे को एस्ट्रॉयड और फेविफ्लू दवा दी गई। अब 1 महीने के लगभग हो गया। मेरा CRP वैल्यू उस टाइम 16 आया था 60, अब मेरा 15.2 आया है और मेरा कोलेस्ट्रॉल बढ़ गया है। कोलेस्ट्रॉल मेरा बैड कोलेस्ट्रॉल 100 से 100 होना चाहिए और वो 244 आया है। तो मेरे को ये समझ नहीं आ रहा कि ये CRP वैल्यू मेरा अभी भी उतना ही लगभग क्यों आ रहा है।
ऐसे ना CRP जो होता है ना, दैट इज फॉर द इनिशियल असेसमेंट। वो फॉलो करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है। इफ यू आर फीलिंग वेल, डोंट वरी अबाउट द CRP. if you're breathing okay, you can walk around everywhere, oxygen saturation ठीक है, तो slowly your lungs will heal. The cholesterol तो is related when how you draw your blood, what time you draw your blood, fasting blood है, 14-hour fast है, कैसे है, did you have a fatty meal and then draw your blood right away? So you have to draw the blood properly, but it shouldn't give high cholesterol because of coronavirus doesn't do that. No.
सभी भक्तों के चरणों में दंडवत प्रणाम प्रभु जी। जिस व्यक्ति को अस्थमा और मवाद की बीमारी है वो वैक्सीन ले सकता है क्या?
Asthma or what else?
दमा।
Oh yeah, no problem. Yes, no problem. Take it.
हाँ, हरे कृष्णा। आवाज आ रहा है प्रभु जी?
हाँ जी, बोलिए।
हरे कृष्णा। हाँ, दंडवत प्रणाम गुरु महाराज, दंडवत प्रणाम माता जी। हमारे मंदिर के जो प्रेसिडेंट है, उनके जो अंकल है वो 15 दिन से हॉस्पिटल में थे। HRCT स्कोर 23 था और 15 दिन बाद वो बोल रहे थे मुझे घर पे लेके चलो, तो वो घर पे लेके आए। मैं भी खुद सिस्टर हूँ हॉस्पिटल में, तो मैं उनकी केयर कर रही हूँ अभी। तो उनका ऑक्सीजन लेवल हॉस्पिटल में 35 तक जा रहा था, लेकिन फिर भी उन्होंने उनकी इच्छा थी इसीलिए घर पे लेके आए। अभी तो उनका कॉन्सेंट्रेटर वगैरह लाया है घर पे, तो उनका सैचुरेशन अभी 80 या 85 ही रहता है और इनटेक थोड़ा कम है उनका। तो डेली एक पॉइंट में लगाती हूँ। तो क्या कंटिन्यूसली ऑक्सीजन लेवल कम रहने से प्रॉब्लम, मतलब क्या उनका प्रोग्नोसिस हो सकता है प्रभु?
ओके, कितने लीटर दे रहे हैं आप 85 सैचुरेशन के लिए?
अनम्यूट करके कहिए माता जी।
6 लीटर।
85 saturation is not bad. You can keep like that, but if you move around, then increase it. So we recommend at least 80 saturation. तो थोड़ा बड़ा, it's you can make 6 liters.
लेकिन ये माता जी ये कब तक जाएगा? कम से कम जाएगा तो नहीं, लेकिन कम तो कब तक होगा ये?
प्रभु जी, ये सब हमारे हाथ में है प्रभु जी। अगर हम हमारा बिहेवियर मॉडिफाई करेंगे और हम सब लोग वैक्सीन लेंगे तो ये चला जाएगा ना, लेकिन 30% लोग लेते नहीं है, तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? What can we do about the people who will never take it? What can we do about the people who think that this is going to kill the entire population in 2 years? That is what I got information from 2 or 3 one Nobel laureate saying that everybody who is vaccinated is going to die in 2 years. Now, if you really believe that, not get vaccinated, and then this will continue. So, get vaccinated, everybody.
अनुकूल भाव माता जी।
हरे कृष्णा, गुरुदेव महाराज को दंडवत प्रणाम। मैंने वैक्सीनेशन करा लिया है, उसके बाद मेरे बाल झड़ने लगे हैं, बहुत ज्यादा झड़ रहे हैं इस बार।
Because of stress. हाँ
माता जी, you were not audible. लीला माधुरी माता जी।
माता जी, अरे I going through a lot of stress because sometimes बहुत stress।
हरे कृष्णा।
हरे कृष्णा माता जी, आपको बहुत स्ट्रेस है क्या? You have a lot of stress। तो स्ट्रेस से बाल झड़ते हैं।
हाँ, बाल झड़ने लगे मेरे बहुत ज्यादा।
You could a lot of stress because the whole world is under stress, you know. Everybody is under stress, so maybe there is some other reason. वैक्सीन के वजह से बाल तो नहीं झड़ते?
नहीं।
राधिका माता जी। राधिका सिंगर माता जी।
हरे कृष्णा माता जी।
हरे कृष्णा
माता जी, मुझे डस्ट, हाउस डस्ट से एलर्जी है, तो क्या मैं वैक्सीनेशन करा सकती हूँ?
Yes, you can. No problem.
अनु मल्होत्रा जी। माता जी है शायद, अनु मल्होत्रा माता जी।
हरे कृष्णा। हरे कृष्णा माता जी, मुझे ये पूछना था कि मेरे 2 ऑपरेशन हो चुके हैं, एक गॉल ब्लैडर निकाल दिया हुआ है और एक यूट्रियस निकाल दिया हुआ है, तो क्या मैं ये वैक्सीन ले सकती हूँ?
Yes, you can. Yes, no problem.
भद्ररेवती माता जी जमशेदपुर से।
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी, दंडवत प्रणाम। हरे कृष्णा माता जी, दंडवत प्रणाम। मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है, जो मेरा सेकेंड डोज भी हो गया, लेकिन ये क्या लाइफ टाइम के लिए है?
माता जी नहीं, लाइफ टाइम के लिए नहीं है। अब स्टडीज हो रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं कि कितने महीने तक रहता है। अब तक तो बोलते हैं कि 6 से 10 महीने तक तो रहता है, लेकिन अभी स्टडीज होंगे और साइंटिस्ट जो रेकमेंड करेंगे, अगर तीसरा डोज लेना पड़ेगा तो लेना तीसरा डोज, नो प्रॉब्लम।
परम करुणा प्रभु।
हरे कृष्ण गुरुदेव। हरे कृष्ण माता जी। माता जी, I have a simple question. Can anyone maintain 94 oxygen levels all the time?
Okay, if you have normal lung, like you and me, we have 98%. Even if we walk, we maintain 98%. Now, someone who has lung disease, when they may be resting, saturation might be 98%, but when they start walking, they drop to 94, 92. So usually we make the patient walk for at least 6 minutes. So we measure the saturation as they walk every minute. As long as it doesn't drop below 92, we don't give additional oxygen. But if it drops below, then we give whatever 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liter, depending on how much it drops. So we only measure if you have lung problem. Otherwise, we don't measure for normal person how much it drops. You're not short of breath. You don't need to come to lung doctor, right? No.
हरिदास ठाकुर प्रभु।
Yes, Maji. Hare Krishna, Pradhan Brahmaji. Krishna Mataji, please accept my humble obeisances. In fact, I had asked this question that a person with autoimmune disorder and DNA positive can take vaccine or not. You asked that what kind of disorder was it. In fact, I don't know, but I was asked to get this test done because I have chronic problem of low platelet count.
Okay. What is your platelet count?
Normally, it remains around 1 lakh. This
How
is since last. This is since last 15 years.
100,000? 1
Yes,
lakh?
Mother. Yes, yes.
And they see ANA is a non-specific condition, so we don't know what the problem is. But you figure it out first. But I don't. The vaccine is not reported to cause bone marrow issue or anything like that, or drop your blood counts. So find out what is the issue first. What is the diagnosis, right?
Okay.
Bone marrow karwa lena, find out why it is low. Is the platelet the bone marrow is not producing the platelet, or is the platelet getting destroyed because of some drugs or something else? You know, you might be on some, but if it is for 15 years, it is a chronic issue, right? If you don't have anemia or don't have other problem, then personally, I don't think vaccine should be cause a problem with that. I have not read about that.
We are almost to the end of our session, Mazi. There's a question. I have a factor V laden. Can I get COVID vaccine?
Factor what?
Factor V in bracket.
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
I mean, it does that does cause clotting issues, but it is pretty common. So I mean, and the thromboembolic problem is not that. I don't think there are any studies as yet, but maybe you can research in the literature if it is okay or not. I cannot tell you 100% myself.
So they can consult their local doctors or.
Yeah, and look at the research, you know, or contact a vaccine. You know, we have a website for Center for Disease Control in United States. It is cdc.gov, cdc.gov. Go on that site, and there is a phone number to call. Call them and ask them. They know, because they have all the science over there.
Is it applicable for India too? Can we go?
Anyway, it is a 1-800 number.
Okay.
cdc.gov. You have internet, you can go CDC.
CDC.
CDC,
Okay.
not CDS.
GOV.
Yeah, cdc.gov. They have a phone number. Call them.
Okay. So we are very much grateful and thankful to you, Mataji, for all your patience, for all your expertise, for all your answers. And I must say, this was the longest session we ever had on Zoom.
Well, you know, this is very important for everybody. Everybody has different questions, and I have to answer. Even if you did it for 5 hours, I will sit here and answer all your questions. I don't have a problem.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Mataji.
Okay.
And जितने भी भक्त अब यहाँ बचे काफी कम हैं, बट जो भी है, मैं आप सबसे अनुरोध करूंगा एक बार हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र का उच्चारण करके माताजी का आभार व्यक्त करें. उन्होंने इतना व्यस्त समय में से भी समय निकाला हमारे प्रश्नों के उत्तर देने के लिए. सो आइए हम सब एक बार महामंत्र का उच्चारण करके माताजी का आभार व्यक्त करते हैं. हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. Thank you so much, Mataji. Thank you.
It was very good, and I'm always there. You need anything, we can talk again in a month. It's okay, whenever. Okay.
Yeah, sure. We'll line them up and update you, Mataji.
Whatever.
Thank you so much.